Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Here is a quick tutorial on how to wind your pocket watch. Now if you're new to the channel and enjoy this kind of videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. So guys, if you have a modern or vintage pocket watch that is powered by a mechanical movement, before you wind the watch, what you want to do is to pull the crown all the way in order to set the time. So I will pull the crown all the way, you will hear a tick. Then you can adjust the watch hands. Always make sure to rotate the watch hands in a clockwise direction. After you have done so, push the crown all the way back in. And in this position, you can actually wind the watch. And you can also hear it wind. And as you can see, the watch is ticking. That was the video, guys. Now you know how to wind a pocket watch. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you on the next one.